Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we'll be talking about affiliate marketing, what it is, and how you can make money with it. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Affiliate marketing is a job wherein a person earns money by promoting someone else's product or bringing in customers for that product. To put it in simple words, a company makes a product, not a product but thousands of products, and sells it. The company then needs consumers for its product. Now here enters a person who facilitates the company by bringing in consumers, and that person is called the publisher. The job of a publisher is to bring in consumers by attracting them and then convincing them to buy that product. Once they buy the product, the publisher gets a commission. A publisher's job isn't as easy as it might appear to be. You really need to have a good communication skills to persuade your customers to buy that product. Why should they buy the same product you're affiliated with? What is good in it for them? How is it different from the hundreds of products? These are the questions that you should keep in mind while dealing with a customer. How can you become an affiliate marketer? You don't need any skills to become an affiliate marketer, you just need to be active. To become an affiliate, take an e-commerce platform and sign up as an affiliate. You will get a tracking ID, then advertise for any product that allows affiliation, and every time a product is sold because of your advertisement, you will get a commission. Let us elaborate on this idea. Take the example of an e-commerce giant, Amazon. Enter the Amazon website and scroll down, you will find the option written as Become an Affiliate. Click on that option and sign up for free. Amazon will create a tracking ID for you, then find a product and start publishing for that product. A special link will be provided to you, using which you can advertise that product, and every time your link is clicked and the product is sold, you get a commission. Now, you might be wondering how I can find product that needs advertisement. Here is how you can do that. Go to ClickBank and sign up for free. Now, the difference between ClickBank and Amazon is that ClickBank is solely designed for the purpose to offer a platform where a company and affiliate marketers can meet. Just go there are a bunch of products that need to be advertised, pick any one that you think is profitable and start advertising for it. You really don't know how and where to advertise? No worries, I'm always here to help you. If you're watching this video, it means that you have a device connected to the internet. Obviously, without a device, you can't be watching YouTube. Just kidding. Take any social media platform such as YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you like, and start advertising for that product. And if you're a blogger and you've got enough subscribers, then it's a great opportunity for you to double your income. How to promote the product that you're selling? Promote an honest review of your product along with some real photos of it. Then share it on social media platforms such as Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, etc. Be sure that the product is in demand, and if it is not in demand and you're selling it, then you will most certainly face difficulties. Ways to make money with affiliate programs. Earning from an affiliate can be of two types, recurring and fixed. A fixed earning or a commission is once for one sale, but recurring is that whenever that customer you brought renews, you will again get a commission. But how can you use this affiliate marketing to make money? Well, good question. Here's a list of 8 different ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Number 1. Amazon Associates Program. Amazon Associate Program is simply an affiliate marketing program where a publisher or a content creator advertises products from Amazon. This is completely free for bloggers and website owners. Just take a product and Amazon will give you a link and then advertise it on social media platforms. Every time the link is clicked and a purchase is made, you get a referral fee. However, the referral fee differs from product to product. Amazon has a very strict policy on this. You must disclose while advertising that you may earn from this recommendation, and you also do not have to make false claims. Violating these ethical codes will result in banning your account. Number 2. Shopify Affiliate Program. Well, I don't think this is something that you're hearing for the first time. Shopify is a famous name. Shopify is an e-commerce website like Amazon wherein you can promote a product and earn money. This is a huge market providing all sorts of commodities. Join the Shopify Affiliate Program and sell other people's products to get some commission. Here, the chances are high that you will earn money because you get a $100 commission per referral. Another great opportunity for you could be making your clients. Here, most of the accounts are private sellers. Once they identify that you can bring good traffic for the product that they are selling, they will hire you, which will turn your job into a kind of a permanent one. Number 3, SEMRUSH affiliate program. No, $100 is not enough. I want $200. Sounds good. Let me show you how you can get $200 per referral. Go to SEMRUSH website and sign up for the affiliate program for free. Every referral you make gives you $200 commission. Number 4, SHAREASALE affiliate program. This is another great platform that allows you to publish products that are available on this platform. There are over 21,000 merchants on this platform, all selling different products. Remember, these are merchants, not just sellers. So chances are that you'll make clients that really want to help. Just go there, find a product that you're familiar with and you can sell, or that you think is in demand. Take it and start advertising that product, which will bring you profit. Number 5, affiliate marketing with EXPEDIA. EXPEDIA owns a bunch of different businesses, all related to booking tickets and hotels online for travel. And whenever you send a customer to them, you can get 6% commission. And 6% is a lot. To join this, just Google EXPEDIA affiliate program and sign up for free. Number 6, Bob's Watches affiliate program. This might sound a little bit weird, but watches are really expensive. This is a company that only sells watches, and there are a lot of watch lovers. And not just simple and cheap watches, but watches like Rolex. You heard me right, they sell Rolex. But there is another surprise that I have for you. This program offers $1,000 per referral. Let's say that you send a customer to them and he buys a luxury watch. His purchase will give $1,000 in commission. So instead of going for something really meager, hunt for a big fish, which is a great way to earn some big bucks. Number 7, Purple's influencer network affiliate marketing. Purple is a platform that sells only mattresses. Now believe me, mattresses can be ridiculously expensive. People buy them because they want to keep their houses nice and clean. Purple offers a whole lot of quality mattresses with the Purple name brand stuck to them. They offer a 5% commission, but you can get them at up to 10%. And if you have a mattress review channel, then it's definitely for you. Just advertise for them using your YouTube channel. Number 8, 5-star nutrition affiliate marketing. We all know that the fitness industry is experiencing a massive boom. More and more people are getting this, and most people then use nutrition to keep track of their fitness. Here comes this website into view. They sell a whole bunch of different nutritional supplements. They pay $20 per new customer, and after that it is 10% commission on any of the sales which the customer does who you brought in. Well guys, that's all I have for you for today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any of my new future videos like this, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We hope that you had a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.